Go to pixabay.com and download an image of man head. Open the image in Photoshop. Select the man head using the magic selection tool to remove the background. Transform the image to black and white by clicking Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E for Mac. Create new layer and place it below the image layer. Transform it to black by clicking Alt-Delete. Make sure that the foreground color is black. Duplicate the image layer and name it Displacement. Add Gaussian blur to the layer by 3 degrees. Save this file as a Photoshop file. Now we will create the text cloud. Copy any random text. Search Google for word cloud. Paste the text and edit it until you reach the desired goal. Make the text white and the background black. After finish, save the file as PNG file. Open the word cloud file in Photoshop. Go to Channels, hold Ctrl and click on the first layer channel to select the text. Go back to the layer. Drag the text on the man photo. Adjust the size. Rename the text layer to word cloud. Duplicate the text layer. Add drop shadow to the text layer. Reduce the text layer size and duplicate it. Create multiple copies and arrange them on the man's face. Group the text layers in single folder. Duplicate the folder. Rotate the new folder by 90 degrees. Create a smart object from both folders. Duplicate the smart object layer. Hide the lower layer. While selecting the smart object layer, click Filters, Distort, Displace. Click OK, and select the displacement PSD file we saved earlier. Hold Ctrl and click on the displacement layer to select it. Go to the man face layer. Select it and click on Layer Mask. Click Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to create a new layer from the selection. Move the new layer into the top. Change the layer mode into linear burn. Drag the Smart Object Copy layer to the top. Hold Ctrl and click on the man face to select. Select the top layer, hold Alt and click Layer Mask. You are done. Thank you for watching.